Hello, it is Saturday, February 18th, 2012 at 2:28 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm kind of watching the storm that's happening down on the Gulf Coast. And a couple things I wanted to point out. We're getting some tornadic activity or type activity popping up. But when I watched the loop, there really wasn't any clouds that looked like they could be tornadic right there. And then also we've got like 62 degrees right here, and then right here at 71. So within, I don't know how many miles that is, but not very many. We've got a 10 degree variance. One would typically see like one of these pink spots. Let's see if it stays when I zoom in here. I typically see a pink spot where this triangle is showing up right here. And previously the tornadic was indicated down in this area, and the hotter areas are up here. Where you're getting the pink. Let's see, we're up in Bohan, Wilmer, Georgetown. And then also I want to show you on College of DuPage. Oh, by the way, this is in telecast, and I've got the storm tracking turned on and the temperature plots. That's where we were seeing the temperatures show up, like right here 63, here's 66. I'm wondering what the well, I'm not really seeing any other that have a one on this side of the storm and one on this side to compare. Anyway, let's go over to College of DuPage. And there's something else that I noticed. We're getting this, I noticed this last night also. We're getting these areas above the storm. This is like a long stringy line. And we're getting these areas above the storm that kind of fluctuate in and out. It's almost like they're pulsing. Watch, and they're like almost in the form of a circle. Right, here's one, and here's one up here. And here's kind of one trying to form. And I'm not sure what that is, and I don't remember seeing that before. Oh, maybe like last week it started showing up. And then also we're getting some really high frequency rings up here. Again, north of the storm. Let me load the whole Gulf so we can look at that. Hopefully it'll load in short time. Because once again we've got this stringy funnel effect. You can see it right here. So this whole thing looks like it's being pulled out of one point. Although we can't see it because it's cut off there. You can see this is the edge of the radar here. But where the circles overlap, like up in here, that's frequency. This is the edge of radar. Well, likely anyway. Sometimes these will also do it, but like right here, you saw it where it cuts in here. Right here, see it? Let's zoom in, sorry. Can you see? Can you see? See right there, it's separate. Whereas here, see, it's melded together where the two are. But we're getting frequency rings all up in here. They're kind of hidden behind the storm, right in here and in here. Too many to count. Up in Arkansas, upper Mississippi, and up here in Alabama, northern Alabama. Wait a minute. I'm bad on my states sometimes. This is Alabama, yeah, that's fine. Then this is Georgia over here. And there's like a leader going out. See the little strings leading the way, leading the charge. Actually, let's load the visible of the same thing. Let's see what the clouds look like. Well, it looks like we got more of a band effect going on down here. And here's this is the beginning of the V down in here. Let's see. It looks like we've got an upper layer and a lower layer going on. This one's going this way with the little stringy things, and the lower is going that way. So we got cross, I don't know if that's cross winds, cross clouds anyway. Wow, that's kind of interesting right in here. Oh, we got a, I'm starting to call these bands, this black thing that shows up. Frequency bands is what I'm calling them. Because right after that you'll see that a whole bunch of frequency shows up here. Let me slow it down. We'll zoom in over here. Wow. Can you see it? Let's do it this way. I haven't done some videos for a while, so I did one this morning, but see, there's really not seeing too much of the, oh, let's unzoom it. I zoomed in too far, it's all pixelated. Well, let's go to Texas and see if Texas is showing it. It should be. All in here. Well, it's actually down in here too, although this is a little different. Oh, we're getting from dawn, that's good. Zoom in a little bit. Well, I guess it won't let me yet. There's the frequency band. Oh, is that it? No, it's just reloading. Let's see if we can get when that happens. Right there. 1632. So that would be 10:32 a.m. Central Standard Time. And I'm seeing some frequency up in here. Let's see if it intensifies. And like right out in here, we're getting it pretty severe now. See that in here, all of this? Going this way, and this way, this way. So anyway, there you have it. Just some observations I wanted to bring forth. Let me actually let this play through by itself. Unzoom it. Got to get those upper buttons out of view, otherwise my mouse grabs them. And we'll slow it down. So there you have it. Be safe out there. It looks like it's just keeping its strength as it goes along the Gulf Coast there.